Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Ego Geo grips. So let's take a closer look. The Ego Geo grips are tattoo grips with adjustable needle depth that are compatible with Cheyenne type needle cartridges. You can quickly and easily adjust the needle depth by simply turning the grip, and the click mechanism within will lock the cartridge in the desired depth to prevent any involuntary turning while in use. Ego Rotary has crafted the Geo grips from the highest quality aircraft grade aluminium and stainless steel, making them fully autoclavable. They have been ergonomically designed for the utmost comfort and support during tattoo sessions, while still giving you full control over the cartridges. The Ego Geo grips are available in two sizes, large and slim, with diameters of 37.5 and 25mm respectively at their widest points. Both versions of the Geo grip come included with two drive bars and a collar device connector for connecting your grip to a wider range of tattoo machines. The large and slim Geo grips are available in four colours: blood red, dark black, rose gold and storm grey, and can be ordered from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the Ego Geo grips? Will you be adding them to your tattoo machine? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.